Okay, so this is what it looked like when it came out. So what we're gonna do is clean it up, and then we're gonna be using a swivel that will be going in here, and we'll be using this lock wire, 41,000 stainless steel lock wire. And for the tools, this one is a split ring plier for a split ring, but we're gonna skip that, and we're gonna be using this to bend the wire and all that stuff. And need a needle nose plier for cutting, and probably use this for the cutting. And of course the knife to cut out any small stuff. And one of the other ones that we'll need is probably this one. This side cutter. It's pretty good for taking this part. Yeah. Or you can use a needle nose plier. Just bend it off. There you go. Then after that, we'll just use a knife to kind of clean up just a little bit. You can sand it if you want, but I try not to sand as much as I can. So to hook this up with the wire, you can use first, take out the wire, cut it to maybe about an inch from each end. So it's right around here. Cut that off. Here we go. And as for the swivel, this one is about perfect size for it. As you can see, the length is about, let's see, there's a glare, there we go. The length is about 900 thou, 910 thou, and the width is 274 and a half. So the hole was 300 thou, so this fits perfectly. There we go. For the wire, first thing you do is get this out of the way. Use this to make a loop right around here. Bend it. So it's kind of like that. And just stick it through. When you're sticking it through, make sure it's straight. Of course, I added the steel ball while I was printing, so that's why you're hearing the rattle. As you can see, as I'm poking it through, what you want to do is drop the swivel in, and hopefully you'll catch it. Nope. There you go. I think that's it. Yep. So stick it through. There you go. Now for this end, just use this and bend it back and bend a circle, and basically just try to get it in. There we go. That's about it. And just use super glue, glue it in. A couple drops would be okay. What? Too much. The other thing you can do is use some baking soda. That'll help dry it up pretty fast. Oops. For this one, you can drop it in first. And try not to get it at the joint right around here. Try not to get the super glue at this joint. Oops, it may have gotten in there. Spin it. Boy. It may lock up. That's okay. Actually, we can lock it up if we want. So let's actually, let's lock it up. Throw more in. Of course, you can sand this down. We're done with this. And there you have it. Yeah, you can clean this up, but that's fine. Yeah, clean it up later. But just throw in some split rings and some hooks and you're ready to go. Make it rattle. Hey, thank you for watching. Have a good one.